Welcome back to Cooking with Vibes. Today we're just in a grilling mood, you know. It's Friday evening, relaxing, having a good time. I know it's Lent and, you know, a lot of people try to not to consume the red meat, but, you know, today we're grilling. So we have our steak sitting down, marinating for a little bit. We have our beef, okay, our ground beef sitting there, marinating a little bit in the seasoning. But now we're dealing with the chicken. And I was talking about the Jamaican callaloo earlier on. Alright? So what I have here is a mixture of the callaloo, okay, with some thyme, chives, onions, peppers, mixed. And we have our chicken here. Like I said, this is not boneless. If we were to do this boneless, you just split the bone off, but I like to bite that bone when I eat. Alright? So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be stuffing the chicken with some of this callaloo seasoning. Alright? And some cheese. And all that goes on the grill. Pretty simple. Okay? You know, I'm out of the kitchen, so, you know, always gotta make sure that your tools are properly sharp. Okay? What we're gonna do is you're gonna take the chicken. Okay? And what we're gonna do is pretty much slice a little piece in there. Alright? And this is where we're gonna put some of our seasoning mixture along with a little bit of queso, cheese. We have here some mozzarella and some extra chopped cheddar. Okay? Gonna apply a little seasoning on the outside. Okay? Gonna rub it nice and neat. Got a little pepper here, a little black pepper. Alright. And as well you can apply anything else to it. We're gonna rub that and we're gonna prepare it for the grill. Cooking with Vibes. Mr. DJ, you need to go get the music ready. Again, music stop. Let's keep the thing going. Keep it locked.